Ka jingya community jing paidbah ban yo no da ka jingking nar ka blatip kum ka bailey bridge ka bayai na jrong ka wa da soi ba country kam no khnang ba kam sok ya kalai kawan bat ban lai ka jingdheng kali khamtam hasar bat ka bun ki chaka la urlong hadem la pli paidbah e ka da ba proston tin song usum bol mitrang ba ka jala ha ka jisran lang do meli ka umroi ka ton si ba George Lingdo u emeli ka soyong ba samlin mangyang ka DC Riboy district ka kong RM Kurba Chief Engineer ka Border Road Organization harangkat lang kinong tray ka National Highway Authority of India bat katna peludi jong sarkar jela. Kani ka jinging nar ka doni ka jingjrong ka ba aspa lai phopun. Habakran sikila patai kubor usumbul mitrang ba ula ai ka jiro u Chief Engineer ka Border Road Organization ba tang hapo sansingi lalak ban pendep ya kate ka jingking nar ha ka juk apor ul ongru ba ka sarkar jela bat ka National Highway Authority of India kidang perkhat ban le kumnui ka jinging dublan bat menta kidang ap ka kaipot na kidu sempang bat ka Ministry of Road Transport bakin sale ka badan kam hakawai pat kalyang uba tensong loi thu ba na banta ban ne shijunom mentala IT ka district administration ban wat ki jaka ki bobyang kat kum ka element jong suram kani ka jingking ba shipor kala banket hadu sau pho metric tons kuman supen kan mau kate ka jingking do bilan kala senjor na do menchem snam bat ki trok kit jingken ki lahap ban yan asal selo lengba ka jingking dam
okay No, this one will last probably a month.
This will last 1 year. It will last.
This one, 1 year.
Yes, sir.
It will not
No, sir.
move
It will
together, right?
get one off, but that is why we put the longitudinal on this.
Okay.
Sir.
Integrate this Bailey Bridge, which you all know. We do have some technical problem with the existing RCC bridge, constructed way back in 2009, 2010. And you need to know one thing, this road is being looked after by the National Highway Authority of India. So of late, we have detected few technical problems of this existing RCC bridge. Then ultimately, we have no option but to stop flying of loaded trucks, loaded vehicles through this RCC bridge, and ultimately state government jointly with the National Highway Authority of India, we have taken a decision that we will have a temporary alternative, and ultimately we are able to complete this Bailey Bridge. And I would like to place on record, number one, the chief engineer of the BRO. They are the one who did a fabulous job. Within 5 days' time, I think they laid this bridge, as you have all seen it, you have all witnessed. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that the flying of loaded vehicles will start immediately when we leave this place. Number two, well, the state government, along with the National Highway Authority of India, we are still working out about the existing RCC bridge, whether we'll be able to make it again functional or not. That we still dependable upon the technical detail report submitted by the expert, and then the Ministry of Road Transport will take a call on that. And then for a permanent solution, let me just tell you, now district administration has been asked to identify alternative permanent alignment, where the deputy commissioner will be on the job, identifying the place and then processing of land acquisition and all. So that will take maybe a little bit of time. But as I said to you, right now, temporarily, we'll be able to utilize again these bridges, both for the empty loaded vehicles. We will allow them to fly through this old and existing RCC bridge. and then the loaded trucks will ply through the belly bridge. And the capacity of this bridge is 40 metric ton, 40 metric ton.